Whisk. Gummy bear mold. Unflavored gelatin. Sugar-free gelatin. A third cup. Droppers. Put the 1/3 of water in a pot and keep it on low heat. Put the unflavored gelatin in the water and mix, and then add the sugar-free gelatin until it dissolves. Mix and mix. Ready. Put the mix in a bowl. Use the droppers to fill up the gummy molds. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. They are ready. Yum yum. Subscribe and like this video.